In other news, studies show that 64% of drivers ages 15 to 20 killed in motor vehicle accidents failed to wear safety belts. So be safe, kids, and buckle up.
Okay, everything's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. He's gonna love you. Or at least he won't hate you. It's gonna go smooth. Everything's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So, yeah, it's gonna be fine. She's gonna love her, yeah. Hello, Mr. Jones. Is Lauren ready to go to dinner?
Dad, be nice. Come on in. You look nice, by the way. Come on, babe. Bye, Dad. Love you.
Who said sugar is dead?
Why, thank you.
Oh, almost forgot. I got them for you.
Oh, thanks. I love them. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so we're going to meet Jamil and Becca at the restaurant.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. So, where are we eating?
Well, my dad was able to pull some strings, and we're going to be eating at Ruth and Chris's.
OMG. Ruth and Chris's? Ah! Oh my gosh, they just posted a new video about the renovations that they've done. Look! Oh my god, look at the chandeliers, the tables. They hired all new chefs, so the food is way better. And famous people eat there all the time. Like, I heard Beyonce and Jay-Z eat there. What if we meet them? Like, oh my gosh, they're my favorite people ever! Oh my god, look at these VIP tables. Like, we have to sit there. Please tell me we're sitting there because that's where all the celebrities sit. Oh my gosh, can we take pictures? Because my dad would love this. Like, what if we meet a celebrity? Like, look at this video. Look, I'm so excited.
Wait, I'm driving. Is your seatbelt buckled?
You know what? I'll buckle it later. It's no time right now. Look at all this. I have to show you all of this. Oh my god, I cannot wait until we get there. Wait until Jamel and Becca see where we're at. Oh my god, I just cannot wait. Look.
Oh my god! Oh no! Whoa!
Oh my god, look at the food there. I cannot wait until we get there. I have to get like steak and salad.
Okay,
and like,
can you please put your seatbelt on?
Okay, fine.
Thank you.